Are you in search of a comprehensive software solution to facilitate your business growth? Look no further. We present an all-in-one AI-powered software representing the fastest and most user-friendly marketing system available. This powerful tool encompasses a wide range of essential features. 1. Effortless website creation. Within a mere 5 minutes, our software can generate a complete website tailored to your specifications. 2. Content personalization. By cloning your unique persona, our software can produce content that resonates with your individual style, voice. 3. Automatic optimization. To boost SEO, AI optimizes your website for search engines, enhancing metadata site structure behind the scenes to boost visibility rankings. 4. Extensive lead generation. Access a database of over 2.2 billion prospects, enabling robust lead generation for your business. 5. Lead generation. Our proprietary lead generation system gets prospects, send optimized messages, and set follow-up reminders in a few clicks. 6. Personality analysis. AI predicts contact to prospect personalities, offering tailored strategies for closing deals. 7. SMS. Reach your prospects more effectively than ever before, with text message campaigns delivered right to their smartphone. 8. Simplify prospect, customer, and teammate management with our intuitive, fully integrated CRM. 9. Blog. Our system will recommend the most interesting articles, videos, quizzes, and more for your live blog. 10. Email marketing. Keep your business top of mind with an automatically generated email newsletter. 11. Social media. Every day, our AI engine will suggest relevant, professional social media content to engage your audience, keep them interested in your business, and much more. Use this software to boost your existing business, or reinvent your product line to generate revenue with this software's dynamic affiliate program. Embrace the limitless possibilities. Click the link below to learn more.